like, oh.
No, I won't hurt you.
No, I know you won't.
It's just the hands out.
So the hands open like that. One of the first things to do is always make sure the fingers are not curled. Okay, you don't, because if you put your foot on somebody's fingers when they're curled and they don't even think about it, you'd break their fingers. Okay?
Oh.
So, just curl them out, make sure that they're straight. And then we can, and again, lots of padding underneath and at least one layer. Here I got 2 layers for hygiene between your foot and their hand. And so I'm using my big toe here to get into that part of the thumb muscle, which can be very tight on some people. And again, this could be very useful on people with very large hands, and especially very large hands that are tight and with thick skin. So people like that, like carpenters, plumbers, people who are using things like chemicals or wood, and their skin becomes very thick. Concreters, there's a lot of tradesmen basically, or tradespeople, are going to have very tight hands that are big and strong, muscly and tight, but with thick skin. So they're hard to get into using your hands, whereas this can get right in there. And on those kind of people, I would tend to use even more the heel of my hand. How's that for pressure, Danielle? Is it too much or is that good?
It's okay.
Yep. And again, I'm making sure that I'm balanced. So I could pretty much have almost all my weight here and just the very slightest, because I'm not that great at balance. But I'm not using her to take a lot of my body weight. Okay, so again, I can use the arch of my foot to make more like a broad feeling where it's just increasing blood supply. It's not necessarily a specific feeling, but it just feels like...
Feels like keeps the blood's going there.
Huh?
What did you say? The battery?
Phone's flat, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'll plug it in.
No blood there now.
So again, just using the toes.
And that's over the wrist?
Yeah, but the pressure's more into the thumb muscle, not the thumb itself.
Is that just going down the finger bands?
Right in the thumb.
Oh, right.
Yeah, in that
Into
thumb
this
muscle.
part.
Yeah.
Okay, the paddy part of your...
Yeah, padding part of your thumb. And again, we can change it. A little bit of work on the fingers, but not too much, just a little bit. And make sure that the person doesn't have rings on, okay?
Yeah, ouch.
All right, do you guys want to practice that? How's that feel, Danielle?
Yeah.
Feels good?
Feels like, yeah. Super warm now.
Yeah.
It's all tingly.
Yeah, it's the batteries on this.
I've got to charge it to my bag there.
Oh, I got one here. I'll put it there.
So you're not doing too much on the fingers.
This is the difference,
Yeah.
This is broad, big.
Yeah.
Same with the toes. You're not going to get detailed toe massage with these techniques. It's just too specific, and we don't have specific enough tools for that, even with our own toes on toes. It's the same size, basically, as the other person. So.
How'd you do that? This way.
Maybe not so rolled up with a towel as like that better.
I would have thought it was another finger nappy, so I can't even. I feel like Jesus.
I think he's just slightly different.
Yeah.
There's Thai massage tools.
Yeah, we don't have any nails.
No.
Is that okay? Yeah.
And what about this side? You tell me what. More. More.
Yeah.
Wow. Keep going. Okay.
Get that.
More. That's
Yeah, I'm fine.
wow.
Is that all of you?
Yeah, like 98%.
Wow.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting.
Oh. Is that me?
Yeah.
It's alright.
Well, I could really see how this would just get a lot moving.
Yeah, it feels good.
Fly on the mouth.
So,
I hate when flies attack you when you're vulnerable.
And disabled in that area. Yeah, really good. Oh, the arch thing.
Yeah, everything you're doing feels good.
Okay, that's
This is your jam, I
I think
reckon.
so. That's, yeah, interesting. More power in my legs and feet.
That wasn't you,
Yeah,
that's
no, Tina.
Tina.
Yeah, that's something went through. I felt that. That's something went through me.
She's got this rolling sensation, rolling thing happening.
try
It
my
looks
left.
so cool. I can just see her going, oh, that feels so good.
You'd have to be, yeah, you'd have to really watch that wrist, wouldn't you?
Yeah, yeah. Wrist and the fingers. Always just